It's time to get back on the Good for Utah Road Tour, and today we are at Fremont Indian State Park, and they actually have a campground in a special area called Castle Rock. And you can kind of see Castle Rock Campground, kind of see where it got its name. Pretty amazing. These are volcanic ash remains from a volcanic activity quite a few years ago, obviously. And let's just kind of walk in and see. Here's a subtle trail here. Just going to walk through the juniper. You can see a lot of the igneous rock. Here's the dust formations left. Getting in closer, see the rubble layers. Probably a little closer over here. There we go. And so let's see what's around the corner, shall we? Let's go down here a little bit, try not to get hurt. Careful, be careful. Wow, there we go. It's kind of a little slot canyon. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's look at this little cabin area here. Talk about a spire. Up, 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 up and away. Wow. There's the gap out there again. See there. There's also a little pathway this way. Should we go see it? Where it ends. Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Check that out. Get into the Castle Rock formations, Indian and Fremont State Park, outside of Richfield, Utah. Wow. There is quite a view.